This is kind of a 3D representation of a French Cleat shelf support. It's all made out of 3/4 inch ply. It's 12 inches long from here to here. And there's the cleat. Now, this is not offset properly, but it is the size of this piece here. There's your 45. And I see it being 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Well, actually 4, including the cleat. The cleat will then, at a 45 degree, meet a 45 degree, for instance, here. And because this length extends down to here, it will span 2 full cleats, thus giving support here, 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 and here, and possibly here, but that's wasteful, I think. Here and here is sufficient. Here and here. So, this is the top piece. We would be cutting it out right there. The shelf would extend this way. And this, of course, would be centered right here. Even though I've got it supported to give the impression of 3D-ness, this would be in the center of this board. This board will be cut right there. And so there, that's the 3D prototype of a Chaz 3/4 inch plywood shelf cleat, shelf support, which looks like it should support a pretty good amount, especially considering we'd be doing this on, I don't know, 16, 18, 24 inch centers. Don't know yet. Depends on the load, right? Alrighty, talk to you later. Bye.